Today we are going to try to hit two birds with one stone. Number one, I'll take my friend to go fishing with me, and number two, I'm gonna test this product right here and see if it actually works. This is to remove the hook from the fish. Let's go. All right, let's go catch some fish. First fish of the day. He caught a catfish right away. Come on, just grab the back. Grab it tight. That's a barbless hook.
Keep it.
I don't want to keep it. So that's your first catfish.
First catfish of the year.
How does it feel?
It felt awesome.
Yeah, look, I got one. There it is. We have a fish. Look at that. Oh wait, it came off. Oh no. This one is fighting. It feels small though. If it's big enough, we'll keep it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Just relax. Relax. Should we keep it? I think it's too small, so I'm gonna let it go. All right. Ow! Okay. See, I grabbed the catfish the wrong way and I got nicked right there. It looks tiny, but man, it is painful. Hopefully it doesn't get infected. We have another fish. All right, we caught ourselves a white catfish. Yeah, it's a small fish. I mean, it's a tiny one, but it's a cutie. It seems like this fish took everything. I mean, I can see the hook. It's just sitting right there. So this is going to be the ultimate test for that. I don't know what you call that thing. I forgot it already. I'm just gonna call him the hooker, and we're gonna find out if it actually works. So the instructions said the line has to be tight, right? There it is. Ta-da! It popped out. Pretty cool. And the fish is safe. Success. So I guess it does work. We caught another one. It's a striped bass, but it looks like a catfish. It's a very rare striped bass. Remove the barbless hook. Just like that. There it is. It's a baby channel catfish. And it's feisty. All right, let's go put him back in the water. Why did I not come here sooner? This is where all the catfish is at. Fish is gone, Molly. Oh, there she is. There's the fish. There's the fish. We're having a good day so far. That's your second catfish.
Catch and release.
Catch and release. Oh, look at that. Ugh. We caught a clam. Is he smiling? Oh yeah, look at that. It's some type of clam. I don't think this is a razor clam, but look at that. Oh, looks like somebody caught another fish. Oh man, it got off? Oh man. Oh yeah. Took the bait. That's okay. The one that got away.
The one that got away.
We need a big fish. Oh, another small one. Oh, this is small. I'm getting tired of catching this fish. I think we need to go home. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I gotta let her go. Bye bye. Let's go watch this guy catch the fish. And of course, he caught another one. Let's see what he got. Oh, it looks like dinner. All right, so we have ourselves a first keeper. Look at that. So there you go. That's our first keeper of the day. If we can catch maybe 2 more of those, I think we're okay. He's catching the big ones. Another baby. Okay. I bet you this is gonna be a baby fish. Oh man, it caught on something. It's caught on something. Okay. There you go. Let it be a big one. Come on. It's tiny again. Alright. This is going to be dog versus catfish. Over there. Behind you. No, you missed it. Dog versus fish. Fish won. Fish got away. Your turn. We need 1 more good-sized fish, and I think we're done. You catch one? Yeah, see? He's catching the big ones, and I'm catching the small ones. Yeah, that looks like a big one. The way that the rod is bending. Is it okay? Oh, okay. Nice clean catfish. Look at that. Since I lost my rig, I think it's a sign that maybe it's time to go home. Well, there you go. He caught another one. Oh yeah, it's a nice size. There you go. That's our 3rd fish for today. He caught all the dinner today. This is going to be my last cast for today. If we catch a fish, good. If not, then that's fine. We have plenty of fish anyway for dinner. So let's go get an extra fish. Maybe this is my 1 big fish. It's almost a keeper. Well, I don't know. I don't know if this is a keeper or not. I don't think it is. There you go. As promised, this is my last catch for today. I think it's time to go home and, you know, start cooking some dinner. So it is about 5:30 in the afternoon. The fillets have been sitting in the fridge in a brine since 9 o'clock this morning. I think we are ready to go and cook. But before I do, I just want to say that this gadget right here really works. It only costs like 97 cents, I think, from the store where I got it from. I'm probably gonna get another one of these because I can see myself losing this in a heartbeat. So that said, I'm gonna go inside, get those fillets, and start cooking. Oh, by the way, this right here is going to be living in my tackle box permanently. Oh yeah. So to keep the story short, it was a good day and everyone enjoyed dinner. I wish that I caught something bigger, but that's okay. I will make it up next time. So basically, everyone had a good time except the fish, but we get it. Oh no! Oh no!
I'm gonna save the bait.
And alright. Oh! Oh, it is kind of big. It is big. Oh, no. Hold it in the back. There you go. He caught all the dinner fish throughout my fishing. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. Today, what the hell?